Redmi new monitor 2026, and I feel like a lot of people are going to have issues setting this up. That's why I'm making this video. So I got this yesterday, and as you can see, the carton is over there just on the floor, so this is the device, 34 inches. And one of the things you'd notice when you're unboxing it for the first time is that the language is not English. This is the manual. It's not in English language, so you will not be able to understand a lot of things when you're trying to set up for the first time. But if you're able to mount it up like this, which should be super easy, I didn't have to read the manual. If you're able to set it up like this, the next thing you want to do is change the language. The monitor's language is not in English originally, so you want to change the language to English, and I want to show you how to do that real quick. Now, before you do that, you're gonna look around and you wonder, where are the buttons? Well, it doesn't have a lot of buttons. It also doesn't have a speaker. It doesn't have an inbuilt speaker. It has a, you can get an external speaker or plug your headset or something to it, and that's it. But there is no speaker inbuilt on the monitor. It's just a monitor with an audio port, HDMI ports, and a bunch of other ports as well that you can easily see online. But there is no inbuilt speaker, and it only has one button, just one button. Where do you find the button? At the back. Let me show you what that looks like at the back of the monitor. So you have that one button at the back that you can access when you put your hand under like this through here. So if you put your hand under, you can feel the button, and if you push it down, you get something like this. See this? Up is for brightness, down is to lower the brightness. If you push down on it, you select. If you push it again, you get that option, to turn it off and everything. If you swipe right, that's menu. Now you're accessing the menu, and on the menu you can pretty much see a bunch of options. If yours is in Chinese, this is the first time you're opening it, don't worry. Just push down and push to the right, or swipe to the right, then scroll all the way down. Keep scrolling down. System, push down on it. Language, push down on it, and then you can move it from Chinese to English. So that's it. So when you do yours, it's gonna look like this, which is completely fine. But again, push down or just swipe to the right, you get this. Then scroll all the way down, swipe again, language, and then English, you select, and that's it. And you can turn off the back strip light, the blue light at the back, if you want, but no need to. So that's it. That's pretty much how you set the language to English. So this is what it looks like. A lot of resolution, a lot of room for you to edit and do other things. Let me know if you have questions, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.